Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from RapidPay to Cash App. So let's get started. If you have access to funds on your Rapid card that you want to transfer over to your Cash App account, all you have to do is first open up the Cash App and access your profile page. In there, you will be able to scroll down until you access the Link Debit/Credit Card option. Simply select Link Debit Card or Link Credit Card, and you will get a prompt on screen to include the details or credentials about your Rapid debit card. Include the credentials that you got from the card. And as long as everything is in order, the card should be successfully registered to your account. You might have to also add a bank account, which you can do on the same page. Alternatively, just go back to the main menu and follow the steps I'm showing you on screen to add any amount of funds that you wish. As long as the debit or credit card credentials are in order and you have the funds, you will be able to transfer the money from RapidPay to Cash App. And that's it. How to transfer money from RapidPay to Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.